Hi, my name is Anif, and I've been working as a media buyer for the past 5 years. During that time, I've run campaigns across Meta, Google, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Although my strongest expertise is in Meta ads, where I've spent most of my career managing and optimizing campaigns. I mainly work with lead generation, business to business, direct to consumer, e-commerce brands, where I help businesses improve their result through creative testing, audience research, campaign optimization, and data-driven decision making. I also have hands-on experience using Go High Level, Zapier, WooCommerce, WordPress, Metapixel and Conversion API, and UTM tracking. So yeah, I am comfortable managing the entire marketing process from strategy and campaign planning to campaign setup and account integration to tracking and automation to launching campaign and ongoing optimization. So yeah, please explore my portfolio where you can see the ads manager screenshots, my case studies, some of the creatives I've worked on, and some of the videos that talks about my walkthrough on how I do my work. So yeah.